Hello everyone. Today I will show you how basically to connect a remote server access, SAP remote server access, and how to connect the ABAP on HANA system to your IDS, example HANA Studio and Eclipse. Okay, so let's start. So this is the detail about the ABAP on HANA access. Okay, so let me continue. So here you can see we have an IP address. So you can just command prompt to go to remote desktop connection. Just double click on this, put it your IP address here, okay, and click connect. Then you have to give the user ID. Okay, already is given here. Now you have to copy your password and paste here. Just double click. Okay. Now you are connected with the remote desktop for ABAP on HANA system. Okay, so you just double click GUI if you want to connect as for HANA with ABAP or ABAP on HANA system. You can just put your user ID and the password will be I'm going to yes. Now you can see it is connected. If you want to check whether it is HANA database or ABAP or HANA or not, go to system and status. Okay, so you can see here. Yes, you can see the database, HANA database. Okay, see here database. This is HANA database. So this is the way you can check the database, okay, of your ABAP server. Okay, now I will show you how to connect the ABAP. This is ABAP system, ABAP for HANA system, the ABAP on HANA system. This system I would like to connect with IDS, that is HANA Studio or Eclipse. So first I'm going to show you basically the HANA Studio. So just double click on the icon of HANA Studio. Once you double click, you will see here. Okay, it will open here. Okay, now either you can create an ABAP project or you will see here there is an option open perspective. Okay, here open perspective would be there. Click just open perspective. Okay, so you can see here ABAP options are there. Just select and click open. So either you can go this way or you can go this way. Create an ABAP project. Click on create an ABAP project. So let's select your S4HANA or ABAP for HANA access. Click next. Okay, you can see automatically the system ID, application server, and instance number auto mapped. Okay, just you need to click next. Now you can see here. You can see here client number. You have to give client already is given 500. User ID already is given. Just you need to give a password. Okay, if not given, you have to give your ABAP system. Whatever the client for this ABAP, you can see this is the 500 client and this is the users. Okay, so you have to give the user credential for ABAP on HANA system. Okay, here. Okay, so now I'm going to give the login here and password. Yes, click next. Okay, it's saying some password issue. Let me try once. Yes, it is created. You can see now click finish. Now you can see your ABAP system is connected with HANA Studio. Okay, successfully. Now you can just click here. Is just navigate. You will see all the modeling object related to ABAP on HANA system. You can see here all the tables and everything. You can see just double click see dictionary table. You will see all database table, everything. Okay. Now that means the system ABAP on HANA system is connected to HANA Studio. That is the meaning of this. See, it is totally connected. Okay. Just right click on this. See, so many options are there. Either you delete it, import it, export it. Okay, refresh it, close the, if you want to close, you can close it. Okay, if you want to see the property, you can see. So this is the how basically you can connect the HANA Studio, okay, with ABAP on HANA system. Okay, this is the way. Okay, now we will show you next Eclipse. Okay, if you need to work on Eclipse, okay, so how to connect the Eclipse? So you can see in the desktop you will have a Eclipse shortcut key. Just double click on this. Okay, so once double click on this, okay, you can see here. Okay, you can just double click on this Eclipse shortcut key. Now you will see here, this is the icon, okay, for Eclipse. Okay, similar options would be, okay, either you can go in open perspective, click ABAP and open, or you can see project explorer. You will get here create ABAP project. Click on this. You can see, just select this one, okay, your system, okay, and click next. Now auto mapped your system ID, application server and system instance. Okay, just click on next. Okay, similar way, all the client and user ID is mapped automatically here. If not, you have to put it here and give the password. So let me give the password. Yes, click next. Now you can see. So now you can see Eclipse event. It is connected. Just double click on this. Just navigate. You can see local objects, all the objects you will see, dictionary objects, table, everything you will see. See, everything you will see here. So this is how, okay, the ABAP on HANA system or S4 on HANA system is connected with your Eclipse ID. So, okay, so if you want to close, just double click on this. Okay, it is temporary closed. See, it is closed. Okay, if you want to again log in, just double click on this. Okay, you have to just double click. See, it is asking password. So if you want to connect again, you have to give the password. So let me giving the password here. Yes, okay, it is connected to the system. So now you can work in this. Either you can work with this Eclipse or HANA Studios. Okay, this is the way you can connect the remote server access for HANA Studio and Eclipse, and you can connect it. Okay, so already I have shown you. So this is the way we can show, okay, and connect it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video.